Oh, Mom, why are we literally in the UK? A farm. I don't even like farms. Farms are where we get the food that we have at home back in the US. Hurry, I'm a farmer. Hey, howdy here. He's weird, Mom. You say ew. All I want to do is to see the ponies. That's not a pony, Yeah, whatever it's called, Mom. Mommy, I want to eat my cheesecake. Oh, yes, let's eat. See, kids are better than you. They like the farm. They both have sunglasses. You refuse to wear those sunglasses. And also, and I didn't. Mom, see, the plants are making me cough. It's because you deserve to cough. Just give me my my money. Okay, let's do the female version of an animal. What is a horse, sweetie? A horselet? 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 What's that? What, Mom? You'll never know. Cat? Catting? You'll never know, okay? Dog? A bitch? Correct! It's a weird name for a dog, Mom. Why do they even call it that? I don't know. Don't ask my primary teacher. She'll explain to you why it's called that. Fireflies! This is my first time seeing a firefly. Look, Mom. Here, a green one. Yay! Now I can see everything properly. Fireflies. Amigo, l'amigo. I love these fireflies. Mama, mi teléfono. It's at home, sweetie. En la de Casa Grande. Yeah, mal. No, Mom. Like, seriously. You're Spanish. Okay, we're USA. I don't know how we got Spanish. Because of Duolingo. The app that I told you about. Is it not Lingo, dear? There are two differences between those two apps. Lingo, dear, is where you learn something. It's not Duolingo. But Duolingo is Duolingo, and if you don't complete your lesson, you get a frozen streak. Your jokes. And imagine you're going to work for 6 straight days. Imagine it takes 3 hours until your streak resets. I don't care. And if you don't care, you get lower XP. Wait. Okay, Mom. But anyway, let's do farm and stop talking about Duolingo, Mom. I'm getting so bored. It's so boring. Yeah. We've been up all night. Oh my gosh. I haven't even got some sleep. I didn't even feel sleepy. Hey, can we eat some corn? Yeah, sure. Have some corn. Raw corn, Mom. Is that necessary? Yeah, it's really healthy, right, guys? Yeah. It's also used for dry dumplings. Ew. We also use it for puff puff. Okay, that's funny. Puff puff is a weird thing, Mom. Isn't it funny? You eat it.